to open up an CSV file in Excel. First thing you're going to do is you're going to open up Excel. So depending on whether you've got a Mac or a PC, you just open it up like it's a piece of software. And then you're going to go to Open. You're going to search for it. So for me, I've got that saved in my download file. And notice it's not showing up, so you're going to come down here to where it says All Excel Files, and you're just going to go to All Files, and there it is. Now it's going to give you this. See what it looks like down here? It just has the name and a comma, and then a comma, and a comma, and a comma, and a comma. Okay, so you're going to choose delimited. You could always do this for an Excel. You're going to go to the next page, and the things that delimit it for a CSV file are the tabs give you each row, but the commas are what change it into columns. And see how that, now it looks the way I want it to look. So I'm just going to click on Finish, and it opens up, and there's my file. And I can work with it however I want. I can insert a column, and I can put in equals 50 times the total grade to convert to points, and fill down whatever I want to do, just like you do for your major assignments. So this, you don't need to know this for class, but you may have things at work where you need to do something with a CSV file. So I hope this was helpful. See you later. Bye-bye.